name is Laurel Kaeferlein, and I'm an early childhood special education teacher. Today, I'm going to show you an intervention that will help your child to communicate with you by playing with a toy that has a shared base. Now, I don't have a typical car ramp at home to show you. I have something that unfortunately Fisher-Price doesn't make anymore, but this is really such a cool toy and it's super motivating for kids. I ended up getting this one off of eBay, but whatever you have, I'm sure will work for the same purposes. So I'm going to show you how to engage with your child who is self-directed in their play by playing with this. I'm just going to describe it to you because I don't have a child to show you how this works. I would love to do that. So if you'll notice in this one, there are 3 cars. Typically, a child who is self-directed will grab all of the cars for him or herself and will take the toy away and play by him or herself. What we want to do is engage the child with us. So you have to take all of the cars, all right? And what I suggest is that if there are 3 cars, you have 1 car, all right? So you hold the car, all right? Oh. You're going to also model the language and the back and forth interaction that you want your child to do. So I'm going to have to stop it right here with the other car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, oh, car. Ooh, car. Blue, pink, wheels, spin. Watch. Ready, set. And I'm going to put my hand here so that I can grab it quick. Go! Down, down, down. Oh, you grab it real quick before they do. Your turn, and then your child will put it on here and you can stop it. You can go. Ready, set, go! Grab it. Mine dropped on the floor, so I'm going to choose another one. My turn. Oh, it's my turn. My turn, because the child will probably grab it. Have a firm hold. Ready, set, anticipate. Wait for your child. They probably, if they don't have any words, they're probably not going to say go. Eventually, they might go, oh, or go, or and if they initiate with a vocalization, that's great. That's the beginning of this. So, ready, set, go! There we went. Oh, your turn. And then we're going to let them have a few turns. My turn. Down, down, down. Your turn. So we're going to be taking these turns. Conversation involves turn taking. So playing games that involve turn taking is going to help your child to learn one of those social skills that is important for communication. So this kind of thing would work if you had a car ramp and the ramp, it goes down. You can have 2 so that your child has a car and I have a car, or you have a car, and then you take a turn, but you go, oh, if they're starting to cram their car on in front of you, wait, my turn, and then, don't get upset with them, just, oh, it's my turn. Just matter-of-factly tell them what that is. And this game, it works on attention span, it works on shared enjoyment, you're enjoying the toy together, language building, car, down, whee, exclamatory words like that. It's really great to get your kid to pay attention and play a game with